Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is July 3rd. Happy 4th of July weekend for everybody out there. Markets today are closed at noon, so early close for the grains especially. But right now you got corn up 1/4 cent. Beans are up 4, wheat's up 2.5. So we are finding a little bit of a bounce early. Now, very, very light volume. I'm expecting that we're going to see this throughout the session today. We didn't get much reaction to export sales today either. We were expecting to see for old crop corn 200,000 to 350,000 tons of corn. We got 290.7, so within range. Old crop beans, we did have some sales, 40.6. We've seen in the past that is a little bit supportive for the market. Might be again for old crop beans, but we're up about 4 cents right now, not doing too much. As far as new crop corn, a little bit better than expectations there, and then neutral in beans. So really no surprises out of export sales today. We did get a little bit better export sales for wheat. They wanted 300 to 450. We got 567. So that was a little better than expected there. So we'll see what kind of reaction we get. I'm not expecting a lot, as I mentioned before. The weather going through the weekend, going to be a little bit cooler. We do have some more rains coming in later this weekend. But it looks like temperatures, as we go through this next 15-day period, are going to be rather tame. So no major heat moving through. Some of the southern areas are going to be pollinating. It doesn't look like we're going to see any stress as far as heat through that time period. But a lot of guys are going to be watching July 10th through the 20th for most of the nation. So we'll see what these extended forecasts look like once we get back from this holiday break. So not a lot of news out of the grains other than that. Cattle, very strong, 225 higher. Box beef coming in mixed, but the big thing is the 158 trade for Kansas and Texas. That's $3 higher. Very, very strong right now, continuing to surge higher at this point. We saw earlier in this week hogs reacting to that hog and pig report, staying strong there. We're up 75 cents again for hogs. Cutout values, though, up 253, so pretty strong, 133.17 for them. We've got the December contract that made new highs overnight. Some of the nearby contracts have not yet, but the December's still very, very strong, and looks to be that way as guys are fearing this PED numbers are going to hit later on this year. We also had some economic news come out today. Unemployment rate at 6.1%. This is the lowest since September of 2008. Non-farm payrolls were increased by 288,000. 262,000 of them were private sector jobs. So stock market right now not reacting too much, up 12. But you got gold down 15, silver down 28 cents, and the dollar right now strengthening up about 28 right now as well. So I hope you guys have a very safe weekend. Once again, 12 o'clock early release, I guess, or markets are ending a little bit earlier, 12 o'clock today. No markets tomorrow. There will be no Sunday night trade, but we will reopen again with the pit on Monday morning, 8:30. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a very safe weekend, and we will talk to you again on Monday. Have a great weekend. We'll see you.